Hello, math champions. Today we are going to understand something very, very crucial, subtraction. Now, why do we have to learn subtraction first of all? Because many times in our life, we get a situations where we have to give something that we have to others. Or sometimes we have to find out after giving that much, how much we will have, right? And that is nothing but subtraction. Do you agree that we always have such situations in our life where we have to give to others, or we have to use it off? For example, some chocolates we had, so we are going to eat it some today, and you want to think or understand how much you will have after eating something, after eating that many chocolates. Tomorrow, how much will be there? Correct? So this kind of situations will be many in our lives, and to understand or to deal with that situation, we have to know subtraction. Okay, that is a everyday situation. Now, today we have a problem here saying 52 minus 25. Before we go into knowing how to do this, let's make a story of this. Let's say you have um, 52 biscuits, and say some of your guests came in your house, and you are giving them biscuits. So totally you counted, and you found out that you have given 25 biscuits to them. Okay. Now you want to understand, without counting the biscuits itself, you want to understand how many biscuits are there in your box. Let me repeat the situation again. In your box, you have 52 biscuits, and somebody came to your house. Guests came. So you started giving them how much ever they want. You counted, when you're giving them, you counted how much you're giving. And that was 25 biscuits. Now you want to know how much is there in your box. So that is a story. Every mathematics problem has a story inside it. Now the climax of the story, the final, final climax we say, movie, that story of the story we don't have. So we are going to find it out using mathematics. Okay. For that, we are going to take the help of rods and blocks. 52. 52 means how many tens and how many ones it has. So this is a 10. So the 50 means this is a 10 here. Then the next one, if you take, it becomes a 20, right? 30, 40, and 50. Okay. 50. 50 means 50 is here, right? That means 5 tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every one of this blue rod is a 10. So 5 tens are there. 50 is over. But it is not just 50, it's 52. So we will take this. This is called a block. 1. And 1 and 1 makes it a 2. So it is 52. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. How many ones are there? 2 ones are there. Okay, that means 52 has 5 tens and 2 ones. That is clear. Similarly, if you think and see, 25 means what? It will have 2 tens and 5 ones. With this, you are clear, right? Now, in a subtraction story, for a 25, we should not be taking this 20 like, like this. You should not take. Why? Because subtraction story itself is like you had 52. Like imagine this, every box has a biscuit. 52 biscuits are there in your box. You didn't put few more biscuits in the box. No, no. Subtraction story means what? Now, in this biscuits, you are going to give 25 biscuits to your guests. Right? From this only. This much only is there in the box. So, that much. Now, you want to give 25. Right? 25 means what? 2 tens and 5 ones. Now, if it's normal biscuits, you can say, I gave off this 10. I gave off this became two tens. I gave off. Now 5. How to about 5? right? You can do like that, but we will not do. How we will do? We will start from two ones. Once you have to remove five ones, correct? From two ones, you have to remove five ones. See here, we have only two ones here. How to remove five ones? We can't remove, no. We can't remove that. So, what we will do? What we will do is, we will take this and split it. See, split it, right? There was a something down below, split. That means this became split. That means, see here, before it was like 1, 1, 1, no. Now it became separate, correct? Now it became separate like this. Hello, all became separate, correct? Now, though this is blue color, but these are all now ones, right? It is not a 10 now, the blue color, these 10. It's not a 10 now, right? What will happen now? What has happened to this now? You see here, how many tens are there? This is one 10, one more 10, one more 10, and one more 10. Now, what is happening is, this is no more five tens. Before it was five tens. No, before it was five tens. But now it is not five tens. Why? Now it has become only four tens, correct? Now this entire problem changes to four. Give me a second. Yes. This becomes four tens only. Four tens because one here, two here, three here, four here. Four tens only. The ones, you see the ones? How many ones are there? How many small blocks are there? One, two, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 ones. It has become 12 ones. Okay. Same problem only. The same 52 only. But instead of 5 tens, it became 4 tens. And instead of 2 ones, it became 12 ones. That means still we have not given, okay? We have just broken that full entire biscuit bar to pieces, right? Pieces we have broken. Now only we are going to give to the guests. We have not yet given. Now, can I give 5 ones? 5 ones we have to remove? No. That remains same only. 2 tens and 5 ones, that remains same only. Now I'll have to give, no. So I will give this 5 ones, no. 1, 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, and 5 ones. All this I have given to them. Correct? I have given to them. So how many ones are left out? How many small pieces are left out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones are left. 7 ones are left. Okay. Now, do we subtract 5 minus 2? No, because it is no more 5 tens. It's only 4 tens are there. Correct? That is why I have written 4 tens here. In this 4 tens, how much we have to remove? 2 tens we have to remove. Correct? 2 tens we have to remove. 1, 2. 2 tens. 1 10, 2 10. Over. Gone. No, this is not there. Now, how much tens are there? 2 tens are there. Right? That means if I had 52 biscuits in my box and if I gave off 25 biscuits, how many biscuits are left? 2 tens and 7 ones biscuits are left. 2 tens, 7 ones means what? What is the number? 27. Now let us see how we learn in school and how we can connect it here. Remember in school what they will teach you? 2 minus 5 you can't do, so you borrow from here. Borrow means what actually? Is this entire, this 10 was there, no? This 10, this part, this was there, no? We broke it. We broke it into small pieces. So now what happens? Now only 4 tens will be there because one of the tens you have broken it. Right? 4 tens it becomes. All the broken in the rod, when we break it, we will get 10 blocks. Correct? 10 ones you'll get. That 10 ones and this 2 ones Together, it will become 12 ones now. Same thing, right? Then from the 12, we remove the 5, we subtract the 5. When we do that, we get a 7. Now 4 minus 2 is the 2. See, same 27 came. Same 2 tens and 7 ones. I will show you where's the 2 tens also. See here, 2 tens and 7 ones. But no, 7 ones is there. This is how subtraction actually happens. I hope you're clear about why we do this kind of a thing in our school. Okay, it is not great only to do it. We have to know why we are doing it. Math champions always ask how or why, isn't it? Okay, until the next video, see you. Bye bye.